This is the Turtle Tank Habitat Kit. This is a really nice set. It's all-inclusive. It's going to give you everything you need. You're going to be able to use this for a turtle, a tortoise, a reptile, or a crab. It's just a really nice all-inclusive set here. Measures about 17 inches by about 10 inches wide and about 9 inches tall with the cover on here. So this thing was very easy to assemble. It probably took less than 15 minutes. Everything came in the box really nicely. It was all wrapped nice and it was safe and secure, protected. You got the light bulb packaged separately, the lamp, everything, the tree. Each one of these pieces went together nice and easy. It fits perfectly. It's got these really great caps on the end here to hold everything into place. So basically you have your base, you have the 4 pieces here, and then you have these caps here, and then the center part just inserts. You put your water filter on, your lamp, and you're good to go. It comes with this net right here, and this one is just really nice. It's just got all these different areas. It's got the basking area, the plant area, the feeding area, the climbing area, the hideout, swimming area. You could see here it's got the area where they could climb up here, like the stairs. It's got the hideout area right here. The water filter, you could adjust that up or down however you want. It's got the settings on the lamp right here with the on and off. Comes with, I believe, a 25-watt light bulb. This is the light bulb right here. It's UVB plus UVA. I believe it's 25 watt. And it just works really well. The plant right here is really nice. You could see it just sits in here really nicely. And it's just a really great set. I like the fact that it has a 360-degree viewing area, so you're going to be able to see every which way in here. And it's got a drain area here on the bottom, so you're going to be able to drain it right here without having to turn it upside down. The drain is just a rubber area that comes off. You could drain it and then get fresh water in here anytime you need to. But anyways, this set was really easy to put together, and it's made very nicely. It's very safe and secure. The cords are extra long here, so you can plug them in wherever they need to go. And this goes on nice and easy. It's got a lot of different viewing areas here, so you could definitely shine the light wherever your animal's going to be here. And just overall, very happy with this. It's a really nice set. You got this net here, so you could lift it up out of the aquarium, and just a really great set. Very pleased with it. If you're looking for a starter set here, this is going to give you everything you need to get started, and just a really nice item. Like I said, it was packaged really nice, and it just overall very pleased with this. The water filter, it's very easy to put in here. It just clamps on the top here, and it's got a filter sponge that absorbs and clears the water. It's good for fresh and salt water, and you could just fully submerge in here. It's going to be safe for the doing so. So definitely want to check it out. This is the Turtle Tank Habitat Kit. Highly recommend picking one of these up.